Draft clear and simple law, Amit Shah at training program on legislative drafting. Union Home Minister Amit Shah on Monday inaugurated a training program on legislative drafting in the national capital and stressed the need for a well-drafted legislation. If legislation is drafted well, the judiciary won't get an opportunity to overstep it. Gray areas leave scope for encroachment.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and click our bell icon for new videos.
Gray areas leave scope for encroachment. Legislation should reflect the political will of the cabinet or parliament, Shah said. Addressing the gathering at the event, Shah said it is important to draft a simple and clear act to avoid interference from the court and any kind of dispute. Noting that legislative drafting is an ongoing process, the Home Minister also emphasized upgrading the skill while drafting any act. Drafting of legislation is an ongoing process, so there is a necessity for skill upgradation. If we fail to do so, we would be irrelevant, Shah added. In the training program that was built with an aim to help the legislative draftsmen in their capacity building, Shah added that neglecting the importance of legislative drafting not only weakens the law and order but also the democratic system of the country. Stating that India is not only the largest democracy in the world, Shah said that the
Subscribe our YouTube channel and click our bell icon for new videos.
System of the country. Stating that India is not only the largest democracy in the world, Shah said that the country was also the pioneer of democracy. Upgrading the drafting process with respect to the changing time is also equally necessary, Shah said. Bringing upon a change based on different sectors like the trade, defense, internal security, or the economy ensures the proper administration, Shah added. The program was organized by the Institute of Constitutional and Parliamentary Studies, ICPS, in collaboration with the Parliamentary Research and Training Institute for Democracies, PRIDE, aimed at creating an understanding of the principles and practices of legislative drafting among officers of Parliament, state legislatures, and various ministries, statutory bodies and other government departments. Shah added that Parliament is the strongest part of the government. But its, Parliament, strength lies in law and order, which is dependent on the successful drafting of the legislation, Shah said. Legislative draftsmen must, therefore, get timely training to hone their skills, as they are responsible for producing legislation, which promotes democratic governance and gives effect to the rule of law. It is imperative to know that legislative drafting is the most important aspect of any successful country that runs on democracy, Shah said. Effect to the rule of law. It is imperative to know that legislative drafting is the most important aspect of any successful country that runs on democracy, Shah said.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and click our bell icon for new videos.